afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is a beautiful, balmy, cold day in February, probably about 2 degrees above zero. And I took apart my Turbo 400 transmission because I didn't have no second gear. Originally, I used to have a 396, which is actually a 402 in my 70 Chevelle SS, and I installed a 454 LS7 1983 crate engine in the Chevelle. Extreme high horsepower, probably pushing 550 or so. So I had no second gear when I stepped on it. For a simple reason is because I rolled my Sprag. The Sprag's supposed to turn only in the clockwise direction, but not in the counterclockwise direction. So the stock 396 has a 16 element Sprag, as you can see right here. So what I did was I purchased a 34 element Sprag, and here it is right here. I'm putting it on. As you can see right now, we're turning in the clockwise direction only, but it will not go in the counterclockwise direction. That's because the other one was bad, and it must, when the hydraulic pressure is applied to this drum, it will lock, and then I'll have second gear. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. This is Bob G reporting for this old transmission rebuild, Turbo 400. And we drop her in place. Not too heavy. It's only about 125. All right, ladies and gentlemen. When I was younger, I used to lift these up with one hand, 140 pounds. Yeah. Okay, time for you to play photographer. Time to go home. Transmission works perfect.